Hello, my name is George, and today I'm going to do an how-to video on how to add banners to your Mixer account. So first things first, as usual, this will be a simple tutorial on just how to add banners. I get a lot of these questions when I'm streaming, so this will just sum it up in a simple tutorial. So first off, you're going to need two things. You're going to need an Imgur account, and you're going to need a Mixer account for obvious reasons. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sign into my Mixer account real quick. We'll sign in here. Okay, so you're going to need an Imgur account, and you're going to need a Mixer account. And then it's very simple. So I will have the link for Imgur in the description below. So yeah, once you sign in and stuff, this is where I'll start from. So first we'll go to imgur.com. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to figure that you're going to be loaded into your account. So you got to make an account and stuff. And then you go to the images section. And then I have preloaded all these images right here, but I'll do it from scratch. So it's very simple. So I'm going to click on the add image section. And then you can browse or you can drag your images right here. I will go ahead and drag it, and I'll magnify it when I drag it. I'll go to magnifier. And then what I'm going to do next is I'll just do a FAQ tutorial, or I'll add my FAQ banner, and I'll put it in here. And then now it'll be in. Okay, so next is you're going to want to click on your banner over here once you've loaded it. And then you look over here to the links, okay? And then you want to go ahead and copy paste this direct link. So you don't want your image link, you don't want a markdown link, you just want your direct link. So on Twitch, usually what you do is you just load it directly onto the site. Now you actually need to make a URL for your banners on Mixer. Copy that. And then you just go over here to Mixer. Go to your main page. Make sure that you're logged into Mixer when you do this. And then, okay, so make it so it's full screen here. And then I just click on where it says edit right here. So I click edit, and then I already have my banners preloaded, so I'll just do this very simply. I'll click enter, enter. And then what I want to do is I want to add this image right here. So you see where it says you got to click on edit on your page. And this is the simple way of doing things. And then you want to find the little image icon right here. It's like a little picture. Click picture. And then you can add this URL right here. Okay, now that URL is going to post the banner that I just uploaded to Imgur. And if you want to make this banner a link, you can make a link. So I can https just for test's sake, and then I can click OK, and then my FAQ banner is over here now. So then you can like put it where you want to, do all this stuff. Very simple. Oh, apparently I have deleted it, so I'm gonna go down here. I'll click images, URL, link. Look here. Let me cancel this real quick. I can cancel it and then start from scratch. Click on edit. Go to where I want to add this image. So, as I said, it's just a test, so I want to add it at the bottom. Click on URL. Control V, the direct link that you copied off of Imgur. So, copy. and then paste, and then whatever you want to link. Or if some people come to your stream and you want to make it a clickable link, you need to put it in under the link tab under image properties when you do add the banner, okay? So that's it. Click OK. And then it's added right here. Once you save this, it will appear on your stream or in the description portion of your stream. And then if I click on this, my link is going to direct me directly to my Mixer account. And then that's pretty much that. You can put information below this through the edit panel. You can take it out through the edit panel and do whatever you need to do. And like I said, it's a simple process, but it's a little different from Twitch. So a lot of people come and ask me how to do this. So just click save, and then it brings it back to normal. So that's pretty much it. I'll do a video on like how to stream the Mixer. There's a little bit different settings compared to Twitch. You can stream via FTP on Mixer. This allows you to have basically 0 latency to have a conversation with your stream chat. So people that are watching your stream, they have FTP enabled. They can watch your stream like basically in real time. So yeah, it's a pretty simple procedure. I'll make a video regarding it. But like I said, again, I'll say again, the settings are different from Twitch. You can't just have the same settings and expect it to run smoothly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Please, anyone's welcome to come ask me questions when I'm live. And usually I'm live on Mixer now instead of Twitch. I'm also live on Twitch. But I'm going to be most likely live on Mixer. So yeah, let's see here. Yeah, if you have any comments or questions, put them in the comment section below. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for visiting today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.